Alrighty, boys. Look what this man T done bought.
Bought ourselves a freaking unit, as the man Cletus would say, but I don't know if it's gonna fit in there, boys. This thing is big.
Damn!
I'm actually kind of shaking it a little bit. I kid you not. Oh boy. Well, let's just get to it. Oh my god. Holy crap. I don't even know what to do, boys. God dang. This is crazy. I don't even know what to say. I'm about to cry. Damn. So we got all 650 horses here. No, I'm just kidding. Bro, this shit's huge, man. I really can't get over how big it is.
Holy crap.
We're gonna put this on the 392 and test it out on that first, and then we'll move to my car so we don't, you know, blow nothing up. Now, all right, so in here's all the goodies. I don't really know what a lot of this stuff is yet. Whatever's in here is pretty heavy. I gotta figure that out. So we'll open that up. These fuel rails. Yes, I've already opened this, but because I was so excited, I couldn't wait. I don't know what's in this box yet. I think this is my pulley idler.
So you haven't opened up any of the boxes yet?
No. Hose. What was in here? Oh yeah, I think these. Oh wow, they gave me all new spark plugs. I did not know spark plugs came with that. Holy crap! Spark plugs. I think this is.
That?
I think this goes in here.
Okay.
We all know I don't do go wires. But this all looks plug and play. I think this is all just. Oh man, we got a ground wire.
What the hell is this?
Oh boy, this is nitrous, baby. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. We'll figure all this out. Oh, gas line. I know what that is. But I might go with a different gas line. Go with the G8 only one because it's pretty sick. It's got the colorful stuff on it. Screws. I have no clue. All right, boys. This is the big.
I don't even know what's in here.
I don't know what to say. I don't even know what to say at this point. This thing right here is pretty dope. This is the main piece that everybody sees. Griff, you don't know what this is?
No. No clue.
I just break it.
Oh, okay. Damn. Check the deets.
Hell yeah, boys. So this is the lid, the ZL1 lid. This is what sits on top of this bad boy that's right here. I'm pretty hyped. This is wild. I've talked about this thing for like ever since I bought. Actually, I did. So I was like, yeah, I'll supercharge it. But everybody's like, oh, you just go LSA. I had no clue what LSA even meant. And once I further got into the car game, I realized this is the LSA.
We got a unit here. Yeah, that way.
We got a unit, boys. Wow, that makes it real now.
Oh yeah, sick.
Yo.
So detailed, man.
So, this is what.
You gonna hydro dip it, right?
Yeah. So yeah, boys, this is pretty much the LSA. So this is stock LSA. This is not ported or anything like that, at least not yet. And they make the 2650, which is pretty nasty, but we don't need that much power right now. I mean, yeah, it would be good to have maybe for. It costs like a lot more money, like maybe $2,000 to $3,000 more. But yeah, and but you can push over 1,000 horse, like 1,000 wheel horsepower, easy. There's not many G8s running them. There's a lot of SSs running them, from what I see. But yeah, so now I gotta decide. So I'm pretty sure we're going E85. So once we figure out what system we're gonna run, and then we gotta figure out what the pulley system, and then I don't think I'm gonna get it ported. So I keep, some people say it's worth it, some people say it's not. They say if you port it and your bottom end is stock, which mine is, I didn't rebuild the rods or crank or anything. So that means that we're not gonna get as much power out of we can't max it out. So if we port it, basically it would be a waste of money because I wouldn't be getting that ported power out of it because my bottom end stock. That's what I'm trying to say. So that means I don't know. We might get it ported. I gotta see. And then the snout here, you know, we can get the snout ported. I think porting it all is almost like 1,000 plus. So you know that's more money we spend. Yeah, look at that nice milling, huh? Ooh, she clean up in there. Got a little bit on the thing. Throttle body also, I gotta figure out. I might buy a little Chinese thing. The little Chinese throttle body, it's like 90 bucks. Mill it out myself, slap it on there. There's so many different ways you can go. Or you can get the one that's like 700. I forget the dude's name that makes them, but they're pretty nice. I'm just hyped I got this.
Nah, I think it looks sweet.
I bought it. Trust me, boys. We worked. Trust me, this ain't mommy and daddy's money, alright? We worked. We worked hard to get this. Alright, this is my dream too. Like I really wanted this a lot. And I don't really know much of, like, this is all, Boost is all new to me. You know, we're still pretty young. We're getting in the racing game a little bit. So a lot of this shit, I have no clue like what it all does or where it's. We're learning. We're learning on our own is what we're doing. This is the heat pump, I think.
Looks like a little turbo on the sides.
Yeah, it does look like a little turbo. I think this has something to do with the heat exchanger. I bought these parts, I have no clue what I'm doing. Not in this one. This one's light. This is just like.
You don't think that's it?
Here. Like, what could this be?
Might be a couple $100.
Goddamn garage, no knife. Red gang, baby. If it ain't red, leave it in the shade.
Nothing.
Alright, boys. Well, I don't know.
You really had no clue that there was nothing in here. I guess not, because you didn't cut the tape or anything.
Unless you put this in here.
Just to fill up some space, maybe?
Fill up the space. Is this a joke? Like, I bought this from Boost District. My man's pretty cool too. He owns his own thing. Shout out to him. Just call him. Try not to email him because he does it all by himself. If you call him, he'll hook you up. This is the pulleys.
Oh, okay.
So we probably won't be running any of these. This is the LSA crank pulley. Holy shit.
God damn.
So this pulley, I'm probably gonna switch to the ATI, and then so that's probably gonna be getting ran ATI, and then my the pulley on the LSA here. I'm probably going to be running the Grip Tech. I want to try to run a 245, but I might just go to 250. I don't know. We got to see how much power we're trying to get or how much boost. So I need to get injectors for this because I want to go with a different style of injector. I'm thinking about ID 1050s just so I can have them for future. Maybe even bump up to 1300. But the fuel system, E85, I'm probably going to run that. It's probably going to cost us a lot more money. So now we got to get the fuel system and the pulleys, and then we'll pretty much be ready to go. So, I don't know, maybe end of February, beginning of March. I would love to have it complete by April. If I had it done by April, then I'll have it for springtime and summertime if it hasn't blown up yet. But
if anything hasn't blown up.
Yeah, unless the car blows up before that. But I'm not trying to drive it much. If I can just run it with boost and then it blows up, hey, call it a day. We won. Or we built it at a later time. But
That's crazy.
I don't know what's supposed to be in this box.
This thing looks sweet.
Yeah, I want to get that and put it on this. Got gaskets.
Check these damn things out, man.
There's some thick boys.
Holy crap. Bro, that shit's ridiculous. You could literally chop one of these in half if you want.
Yeah, my
Literally, maybe 4 gaskets total.
So these are the gaskets that go underneath the LSA. And hey, we're gonna install all this ourselves too. So you gotta stay tuned for that. That's gonna be. You thought the cam was something. Well, I don't know. A lot of people say this is more easier than doing a cam.
Really?
I don't know, man.
It might take less time.
Well, no, we don't got to. Well, not yet. We don't got to point the motor. So I just can't stop looking at this.
I think it looks sweet. We should.
Yeah, this is the heat exchanger. Nothing real fancy here. So this should be fun. And there's tape drop though. Ooh, killing it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me at IG at 1bad8. And we'll see you on the next one.